namaste, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all are healthy, fit and fine. I'm came with an interesting stuff. Today we are going to discuss the topic called ethical hacking. We are going to discuss about ethical hacking in a detailed manner. So hope you watch till end. In this last till end, in ending, I want to give an bonus tip for you all for about this hacking. So make sure you watch till end. Oh, make sure you have subscribed my channel. For your one subscriber will help me to encourage to make these videos. So watch till end. We start the video. Yeah, welcome back guys. Today we are going to discuss the topics: what is ethical hacking, why ethical hacking is used, types of ethical hacking, benefits of ethical hacking, and how this ethical hacking is used. And at last the video, in end of the video, I will give a bonus tip which is very helpful for everyone. So please make sure you watch till end. I will start the video in a topic wise manner. We'll start the video by entering into the first topic. Yeah, the first topic we are going to discuss about what is ethical hacking. What do you think? What is ethical hacking? In a general manner, I will say what is ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is an hacking which we are doing in an authorized manner with an owner's permission. We will take an to monitor the PC to know about the vulnerabilities of the PC. Ethical hacking is normal, we can say it in an it would be an in an authorized manner where the ethical hacking is also known as penetration testing or pen testing. What will the ethical hacking do? What will the ethical hacking do? In an authorized manner with the owner's permission of this PC, ethical hacker will check the what malicious links or malicious things or any vulnerabilities are there in the PC, so that so that before the hacker exploits it, the ethical hacker will say, remove all these vulnerabilities and fix all these vulnerabilities and remove all these malicious things in your system and keep the system secure. Before the hacker will exploit your system, this ethical hacker will do some things so that your PC would be safe, so that ethical hacker cannot be exploit your system. This is what the ethical hacker will do in an authorized manner. This would be in an authorized manner. But hacker will do in an unauthorized manner, so that he will take all the sensitive data from this from your PC. Ethical hacker will help you to be secure from these hackers. The second topic we are going to discuss about today is why this ethical hacking is important. What do you think? Why this ethical hacking is important? Yeah, today in this current scenario, we can see that how the cyber attacks are doing, how the hackers are taking our sensitive information, how the hackers are taking this information and using this information. Why ethical hacking is important? Ethical hacking is important because this ethical hacker will take your permission and see what are the vulnerabilities, what are the malicious things in your system, and he'll tell about everything about your system, how the data breaches, if the hacker is using your PC or not. Everything would be known to this ethical hacker, because ethical hacker is also an hacker, but he will do in an ethical manner where he can tell about how the hackers are hacking your system, how much data is breached. Everything would be told by this ethical hacker. Every information would be in your system, but we can't see. But ethical hacker will use some tools so that he knows about everything, about how the hacker is going to hack your PC, how the data breaches everything, because he is an ethical hacker. He know everything about this ethical hacking. Yeah, this is why the ethical hacker is useful for us. The next topic we are going to discuss is how it works. Ethical hacking, what do you think? How it works? Ethical hacking will works by the ethical hacker would have some knowledge about this hacking, and he use some tools and and make some scanning or something, he will make some in your system. He will analyze the risk, how much risky your PC is in, and he will remove a detailed report of your PC. He will remove everything, how, what are the vulnerabilities, what are the malicious things in our system. He will know about everything by using some tools and his knowledge, so that before the hacker will exploit it, he will rectify the all these vulnerabilities and fix all the vulnerabilities. This is how does the ethical hacker works in an authorized manner. The next topic, what are the types of ethical hacking? There are many types of ethical hacking. We are going to know about some types. The types of ethical hackings are web application hacking, ethical hacking, wireless hacking, network testing, and social engineering thing. Why? Because the ethical hacker take these all types of testing, so that your PC must be in a secure and security manner, where the ethical hacker cannot be bypass your firewall and take your sensitive information, because everyone have their privacy, everyone have their sensitive information in their systems. What the ethical hacker will do? Ethical hacker will save ethical hacker will give an security, so that an hacker cannot be breach your firewall or break your firewall and exploit your total sensitive information. This is why the ethical hacker will very well useful for us, so that cannot be do such types of things. How the ethical hacker will come? Because ethical hacker will come from the cyber security. Cyber security is a thing where everyone can be every cyber security students will help for this future, because by this generation everywhere the hackers are hacking the systems. Why? What about this? How should we will stop about this? How should we stop these hackers? By producing many numbers of ethical hackers, we will stop these hackers. This is why the cyber security will helpful for us, and helpful for everyone, for the upcoming generation, to stop these hacking things, to stop these hackers to exploit your systems. Yeah, the next topic we are going to discuss about benefits of ethical hacker. What do you think? What is the benefit of ethical hacker? By this video, you know what are the benefits of ethical hacker. Let me say, ethical hacker is an plays a very important role in our future generation, because how many hackers are uh, producing, how many hackers are many types of hackers and many types of hacking we're gonna see in these days. By these ethical hackers we will end these hackers, because by securing our PC, ethical hacker cannot be uh, bypass your system and no take your information. These ethical hackers will help you for everything. For an example I will say, for an example I will say, it's an financial or in banks support, like something, it will take some financial things. By these hackers, what will the hacker will do? Take all the information, take everything about your bank details. He can make your money fraud also, because by the ethical hackers, they will prevent everything about this. They can prevent these types of social things, where the hacker cannot be exploit your system, so that he cannot be enter in your system and know about everything about your system. These ways, and these are the benefits of ethical hacker. This I think the ethical hacker would be very important, and he plays an important role in our future coming generations. And now also ethical hacker can be a very good a very good thing for us, so that this hacker cannot be enter in your system and take all this and sensitive data of your, and he cannot be breach your privacy, so that, because every system would have some vulnerabilities. If the ethical hacker will fix the vulnerabilities, so that hacker cannot be entered in your system. This is why the ethical hacker will benefit for us. We are came to a conclusion of this video, but I promised you I will give a bonus tip for you all, for how the ethical hacker cannot be hack your system. Because every hacker must be use some social engineering, so that he can enter in your system. If you don't give a social engineering, so that every hacker cannot be come to in your like hacker cannot be uh, break your firewall and come in your system. How the hacker will hack your system? For example, I will say, suppose you are interested in an Geo, you are using an sim called Geo, or you are interested in something. How the hacker, how the hacker will think? He'll think, he target on your social engineering. What do you mean by social engineering? If I interested in some hacking, if I emergently I want some work from, if I emergently I want some money, what the hacker will do? He will make an malicious link. He, in that malicious link, he bind with some data. What would be the data? The data would be like, if I am a Geo user, I will get an free data of like 5 GB. Someone will be interested. If he don't know about this, all those hacking like this, he will be interested and click the malicious link. For example, and some another example I will say, if you are unemployed, you want some work, if you want some work or any work from home, he will make an malicious link, and the data will be like, this is from work or work from home, and I will provide some salary of 10,000 to 20,000. You will do this part time for 2 hours. He will make you sure to click the link. If you click the link, then complete it, or our every data will be gone to the hacker. I am requesting to all, don't click this malicious link. This is the bonus tip how the ethical hacker will trick you, so that you want to compulsory click the link. This is the bonus tip where you don't click these links. You all know how these links will come. Every in every phone, every messages we can see this, like it will come like part time to 2000 to 5000, 1 hour a day, or some like data. I will give 5 GB data, blah blah blah. This, don't believe these all things. If you don't believe this all thing, if you don't click these malicious links, then nothing will happen. Nowadays we are seeing this online scam. For example, I will explain how this online scam will done. The hacker will provide like give some link, and you will see buy one get one offer. You will get a phone for buy one get one offer. Everyone will think that we'll get a buy one get one offer. It will be an offer. They will say in that this is the 25th anniversary, so that we are giving some offers. They will trick you like that. If you click the link, if you click the link, suppose if you have an Amazon app in your phone, if you have Amazon app in your phone, when if and it would be a genuine link. If you click the link, it will go to the app. It will directly go to the app. If it is a malicious link, if you click that link, it won't be go to the app. It will take to an browser, because the hacker will make an fake web page. How the hacker will be make an fake web page, same like Amazon. It will be same like Amazon. How the Amazon is there, this is also the same thing. By clicking the link, it will not take to the app. It will take to the browser, where you will see the same buy one get one offer. You see that everything, there will be no COD. You want to pay before taking the product. If you pay, then enough, everything will completed. You will lose your money. This is how the hackers will trick you by giving this malicious link. So please don't click that malicious links. Be an ethical to know about all these things. I am concluding this video. Hope you got some information from this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel and link and like my channel, because I am making these videos for you all. If you want some more videos, please give me encouragement by clicking the subscribe button. And after this video, I want to make some phishing link. How the hacker will make the phishing link, and how the hacker, how by clicking the phishing links, how our data would be going to the hacker. I will make a video. If you want the video, please comment me down about this phishing attack. I will make a video in an procedure. We can see about everything in an practical manner. I will show about that thing in a practical manner. So hope you enjoyed by knowing some information stuff by this video. I am concluding this video. Thank you so much for watching till end. Goodbye.
Big thank you for being here.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।